Hi guys. On the xy plane, the equation 2x cubed plus 2x minus 8x squared minus 6x plus 8y plus 24 describes a line and parabola that intersect at the point AB. Find the value of AB. So, how, if it's a line and a parabola, how is that described? It's not the parabola times the line, because that would just be a cubic. It's, Oh, they intersect at the point AB, so they intersect at one point. So it's gonna look like that probably. Or this is tangent. And we're looking for this. Well, the good thing is y only has one power here. So I can isolate y. So why don't I do that? If I have 2xy minus 8y is equal to negative 2x cubed plus 8x squared plus 6x plus 24. I can just divide everything by 2. This goes to 4, this goes to 1, this goes to 4, this goes to 3, this goes to 12. Then factor out y, and then we have that times x minus 4. So then y is equal to negative x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x minus 24, or 12, minus 12 all over x minus 4. So y is equal to x cubed. I'm going to just make this negative plus minus 4x squared minus 3x plus 12 all over 4 minus x. So what we're saying here is that at all other points there are either 2x for every y or 2y for every x. But at one point, or at more, there could be 3. But at one point, there's only one x for every y. So, I mean, clearly for any x, there's always one y. So if we were to draw it like this, there's always one y, so it can't be like that. It's gonna be like that, and it can't even be like that, because that means there's 2 y's. It has to be like that, maybe. Like straight down. Oh yeah, I guess it could be like that, if it's like that, maybe. Would that intersect eventually? Yeah, it would. So the only thing it could be is like directly vertical. Right? So maybe, yeah, I'm gonna try to plug in 4 here. I get 4 to the 4 is 64, minus 64, minus 12 plus 12. Oh, we get 0. And then on the bottom here, from the 4, we get 0, so it's 0 over 0. So that would be a vertical discontinuity. What if I put in 4 for x here? Just gonna divide everything by 2. We get, sorry, I blanked for a second. We get 64 plus 4y minus, it's going to be 4 times minus 64 minus 12, no, minus 12 minus 8y plus 12. So these two again cancel out, these two cancel out. So we get negative 4y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. Okay. So when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. Hold on, let's say probably here or something. But still, we have this. We have it like this. Right? Right? Huh. Because I'm thinking, if we have a line and a parabola, the way we can combine those two, we can't do multiplication, because that would make it cubic. We can't do it by addition, because then it'd just still be a parabola. We can't do it by, can we say like one is equal to the other? No, because that would just be, a parabola again. But I know I've done equations that has stuff like this before. I just forgot how to do it. Because you can have something where it's like y is equal to why don't I put like 0 in here? 0 in here I get 12 over 4. 12 over 4 is 3. So we have 0, 3. So if I put 1 in here, I get 1 minus 4 minus 3 plus 12. So it's 13 minus 7 is 5. 5 over 3. So we have 1 and 5 over 3, so it's getting smaller. 2, we get 8 minus 16 minus 6 plus 12. 8 minus 16 is negative 8. Minus 6 is negative 14. Plus 12 is negative 2. So we have negative 2. So 2, we put in, we get 2 up here, and we get negative 2 up here, and we get 2 on the bottom, so it's negative 1. 5/3 is the same thing as 2.33. So I think this is actually going to be like probably like that. Put 3 in here, we get 27 minus 39, which is negative 9. Minus 9 is negative 18, so it's going to be negative 6. 4, we get 0. 5 is going to just be even more negative. So the thing is, here it just keeps getting more negative. It keeps getting more and more negative. So I bet it actually looks something like that. If I put negative 1 in, I get negative 1 minus 4 plus 3. So it's going to be negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. Negative 2, so it's going to be 10. 10 over negative 5 is negative 2. Or 10 over 5 is negative 2. Negative 1, negative 2. Because this is a 1 in, 1 out function. This is not. I don't understand, because I could just get rid of the y's, it's like fine. Like, what am I doing in that act of changing it from this to this, except excluding the x equals 4 that matters? Okay, I'm stuck. I'm gonna look up how to combine a problem line and see if that helps me at all. So what it said to do to combine two is set them both to 0. So we have y, and it's going to be equals mx plus b, or mx plus k, let's say. So we have to subtract mx, subtract k instead of equal to 0. Same thing, y is equal to a y minus ax squared minus bx minus c. Multiply these two, multiply these two. the thing is, that's going to give us a term with y squared, and we don't have that term with y squared, so I don't know what is going on here. Maybe we have to square this for some reason. Just square this. I mean, I could maybe see how that worked because it's not transforming it at all. Maybe you were able to take the square root of it beforehand, but like still. Actually, maybe that would work. If we multiply these two, we'd get y squared minus ay squared yx squared minus bxy minus cy minus mxy minus a x cubed, no, plus b mx squared plus cmx. See, I'm gonna get nowhere with this. I'm gonna get absolutely nowhere with this. The only possible thing is, like, sure, if we square... Like, dude. What, genuinely, what am I supposed to do? Well, there's only one term with x cubed. See, and if I square this, I'll have x to the 6th, not x cubed, so we can't even do anything. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Genuinely. Sorry guys, I think I'm gonna have to give up on this one. My guess is gonna be the 4. It's gonna be 4, 0, so the product is just gonna be 0. 0 is my answer. Let me check. Okay, I was not correct. What they did is they factored this. They got it down to it was like 4 minus x and something else, and for some reason this represented a line even though it didn't have y minus, so I guess I was just misled. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.